Hi guys, welcome to my channel, How To. Today I'm making a quick tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to upload any video that you've made or anything you want to put on YouTube. I'm going to show you now how to do it. All you need to do is, presuming you've already got your account, you need your account in order to be able to do this. So you're signed in and everything, you go to create there, the create button, upload a video, you click on that. Straight away what's going to happen is here you're going to get this box here and it's going to ask you which video you want from your files in your computer. All you need to do is click on the blue button, then it's now looking into your computer. Go to your downloads, because I'm presuming that's where your video is going to be, because that's where I've put mine. The video which I want downloaded on the computer today is here it is. So I'm going to click on that. You're going to be left with this option. What do you want to call the video? Well, I'm going to call it a tutorial. I'll fill it in properly later. Then a description, what you want to say about your video. Your thumbnail, if you want to know about thumbnails, look in my next video which I'm making, which is just the picture, what people are going to see as your picture as the sign in. All you have to do here is click no, that it's not made for children, or if it is, click yes. If it is, you're not allowed to have adverts on the video. Go down, click on next. While you're doing this, the video is already uploading onto YouTube. You can't do much with this at the moment. Next again, then the very final page you're going to get is this. I want public so public can see it. I don't want it to be scheduled, I just want it to be released as soon as it's published. Do that, press publish. And what will happen next is the video, as it's already downloading, well, uploading, sorry, onto YouTube. It's at 23%. You close that. Now while it's uploading, do not close this page, because this box here is showing you 25% of that. Now you can actually still use YouTube, but just you can't come off YouTube. So that's it. So that's all it is. I'll go into more detail in my next video and also show you about thumbnails, which we'll be using this video. So please like and subscribe. At the very least, please like, because I've had to spend money to be able to get everything needed in order to make this video. So bit of appreciation there, thank you. Anyway, you take care, catch you on the rebound, bye.